If you are someone comparing Mac Mini, Mac Pro with Mac Studio and Mac Ultra, then this video is for you. Let's start by saying unboxing while I talk about specification and comparisons. I'll share 3 challenges that I faced after I bought Mac Studio and what I did to overcome them. M2 chip outperforms M1 chip by 18% faster CPU, 35% faster GPU and a 40% on neural engine. Therefore, today I'm only going to talk about M2 models. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. I give A+ for the packaging. Usually I close my laptop and just use 2 screens, and that's why buying just a CPU is the best alternative for me. The CPU is smaller than I expected considering its power. Makes me wonder what comes next, a CPU that's the size of a SIM card. Anyways, the CPU is portable and the only thing that comes with it is a power adapter, but you can connect to any monitors with the right connectors. Speaking of which, here comes my first challenge. I could not connect my 2 screens in extended mode. It was only working on duplicate mode. What I did was I joined the first screen to the second and then attached the second screen to the Thunderbolt. This usually works in Windows. However, this setup only connected in duplicate screen mode in the studio. I could only make it work by joining one screen using Thunderbolt and another to the HDMI port, which gave me 2 screens with extended mode. The second challenge was my keyboard and mouse were lagging. I'm using Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse set. I can live with that, but I need to find if I need to buy Apple keyboard and mouse set or not. If anyone already tested the performance, please write down in the comment and I'll update this later. The third and foremost challenge was I started using Final Cut Pro right after I did the PC setup. It was just a 4-minute video that was working for Mac Air. The studio started complaining about the memory. This actually came as a surprise to me. I optimized it by removing unused clips and everything. But there's only a bit that you can do if you're using it for a longer video in the future. So that's why I went ahead and got a 4TB SSD. I wanted to get a Pro, but it was way expensive, so I just got the one from Seagate, a 4TB, which is working just fine for me. If it was Mac Mini, I could only go up to 2TB. Since it's Mac Studio, I could go up to 8TB. I added memory by SSD, but somewhere I feel like I'm not utilizing full potential by not using the internal memory. If I could teleport and go back in time, just like that, I would go to Apple site and add extra memory at least up to 1TB. In the retail store around me, customizing the spec is not possible. I would have to get on to Apple to customize the specifications. I'll put the link in the description if someone wants it. Now let's see why I bought Mac Studio. As you can see in the table, the Mac Studio outperforms the Mac Mini in all aspects apart from price and size. While the Mac Mini is a more compact and budget-friendly option, it comes with less power and performance. On the higher end, the Mac Ultra Studio enhances performance with a greater core count, increased SSD capacity and improved support for external display through 6 Thunderbolt ports. Nevertheless, this upgrade comes at a higher cost and is excessive for my specific requirements. As this table shows, the Mini Pro is more comparable with Mac Studio. While the Mini Pro offers a slightly lower count, it compensates the 4 Thunderbolt port support. With a higher count and external display capability, Mac Studio provides a robust option for advanced users. The choice between them may depend on specific performance needs and budget considerations, which in my case is a clear winner. I suggest that users who require maximum computing power choose Mac Studio, especially for tasks like high-resolution video and photo editing or code compilation. On the other hand, the Mac Mini is well suited for everyday tasks such as web browsing, email and word processing, offering a powerful yet compact solution for users on the go. Write down in the comment below if Mac Studio is a must-have or an overkill for your purpose. Thank you for watching.